Can't hardly see you on the screen they have.
I was doing fine this morning. This time when I walked out the door, man, my eyes were burning.
Might be able to get him to gallop.
Ride.
Or canter, whatever.
Sam, you gonna get out there?
Huh?
Are you gonna get out there?
You can go out there.
Maybe later we'll do that.
The last frame of the video has Sam's legs sticking out like this. Dad!
What are you doing, dog? One of you? Spade?
Actually, Simon's the one that helps on Casper.
Simon rides Casper?
Yeah, not Dad. Dad hardly ever rides it. And TJ rides it too. Yeah, there's that one time when TJ fell off. No, why Casper runs is because the other two horses are away from her.
So what happens if you ride Casper and Lenny at the same time?
Casper and Lenny?
Uh-huh.
Dave would probably fall.
Casper's the boss. I don't know why.
Anything like Randy, she'll
Casper's
care.
not the boss. Lenny is.
So you think you want to come back later and ride?
How do I make it stop now?
That's the beginning.